Okay, well, I got in a few parts and I'm going to try and do a start on this Big Bear today. I was thinking I was going to have to figure out how to hot wire it, but I took my lock, my ignition lock, over to a local dealer, a local key maker, and he was able to come up with the right keys and make me a key for it. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install this lock in the headlight shell, if I can find it. Oh, there it is down there. So I'll put it in there and put that up here, and then hook up the necessary wires for the... I'm really bad at this talking stuff, but anyway, hook up the necessary wires to get the ignition turned on and see what happens. Let's first cut this loose. It'll kind of be in the way. Put that down here. Alright. I've got the headlight bucket, so we'll put this in. Okay, that should do it, I think. Yeah, close anyway. Okay, this takes a M25. We're going to put 2 washers on it. We're going to put a spring washer, as they call it. We call it a lock washer here. Then put that through there. Then they call for another spring washer on the other side and the nut. I hope that I took a picture of this, and so I know which one it goes through. I'm going to have to do a little research. All right, terminal A, which is this one right here, should be a white wire. And that appears to have been white at one time. So we're going to assume that's the one. All right, where'd you go? There you are. We'll put that in there. I hope. I'm not going to put the switch back in its place up here until I get all these wires connected. The white wire to A. Next one will be C. And C is a brown wire. So a brown wire that has a lug on it. There it is. It's a double wire. And the brown wire is connected. Okay. Next should be B, and B is a red wire. All right, let's pull the pin here. And then comes T. T is a light blue wire. Now, I happen to remember that one of these wires came over to this nut here. And it was just a short wire. It didn't come up through here. So, let me see if I can find light blue with a proper. And I don't know. I don't think that's it. No. There's a light blue, but that's wrong. Doesn't have a terminal lug on it. Now this is blue, but is that dark blue? No. Yeah, that's dark blue. And I think that must be purple or dark blue. Huh? What do I have? Huh. I don't see a purple or a dark blue. So, I'm going to look for that short wire.